Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Chill and Film. Today we are going to prepare a quick and easy recipe, that is keema curry. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a cooker. Usually I prefer cooker to prepare any mutton dishes so that it can cook easily and quickly. When the oil is hot, I have added akha masala or khada masala, that is lavang, clove, dalchini, cinnamon, shahi jeera, and few pods of elaichi or cardamom. Here I have added 3 slit green chilies. Then I have added chopped onions. Give them a quick stir. Once the onion turns little transparent, add ginger garlic paste. Now add salt as per your taste. Keep stirring. Now let's add all the dry masalas powder, jeera powder, which is cumin powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder, coriander powder as well. Give a quick mix. All the ingredients and the measurements will be given in the description box below. Now let's add fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now add chopped tomatoes. Mix well and let the tomatoes cook for a while until it is soft. Check for salt at this time and see if required, add it now. I have taken around half kg of keema, washed it properly, and I had drained all the water. Now I'm adding this to the cooker. Mix well. Let all the masalas and tomato, ginger garlic paste, onion all get infused into the keema. Add water. Here I have added Eastern chicken masala. Some more salt because I felt it is required. Mix well. Okay, so here I have added another glass of water because I felt curry was less. Mix well and close the lid. Take around 3 to 4 whistles in a medium flame. It also depends sometimes on the keema that you are using. Just check, if required take another 1 or 2 whistles. Here the keema is ready. It tasted yummy. I have just added fresh coriander in the end, and now it's ready to be served. You can serve this with pav or chapatis, naans, and rice as well. I hope you will try this quick and easy recipe of keema and let me know how it tastes. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.